few players kind of. Only three batters batted: Tilak Verma, Abhishek Sharma, and Rinku Singh. There's a clear hint that Abhishek Sharma is fit, available, and play. India will take a call of whether they will play an extra spinner or they will play Mohammad Siraj. The most important thing is that the handshake thing. Hello everyone, you are watching TUI Sports. This is Pratyush Raj. Uh, the drizzle, the passing shower kind of abruptly ended India's training session. But I think it was a very light training session considering the match is just a day, match is tomorrow. The intensity was not that high. Few players kind of, only three batters batted: Tilak Verma, Abhishek Sharma, and Rinku Singh. Gautam Gambhir was watching Rinku and Abhishek's batting very closely right behind the nets, जैसे वो करते हैं. And then Abhishek, after the net, after his batting stint, had a long chat with Sitanshu Kotak, the batting coach. They were certainly talking about something. I think it was a ball that bit of kind of troubles Abhishek. Those short pitch ball on his right shoulder, उसपे ही कुछ बातें हो रही थी. The way they were like talking and moving. तो जो भी, I mean, ऐसा ही मैंने guess किया. I might be completely wrong here as well. Interesting day. Both the press conferences were like pretty toned down, pretty calm, of what I have experienced few months back in Dubai during the Asia Cup. There's a clear hint that Abhishek Sharma is fit, available, and play. India will take a call of whether they will play an extra spinner or they will play Mohammad Siraj, or who they will, or will there be any changes. But रही बात, the most important thing is that the handshake thing. रही बात, whether they will shake hands or not, Captain Salman Ali Agha said they are fine with it. Only tomorrow we'll know. Surya Kumar Yadav in his own style said, आप लोग खाइए, सोइए, और कल 24 घंटे में आपको पता चल ही जाएगा क्या होगा. And the talking point of this day was pretty much about Usman Tariq, both during Salman Ali Agha's press conference and Surya Kumar Yadav's press conference. The questions were asked about the unique, the mystery spinner from Pakistan. India even called up a couple of local net bowler from Sri Lanka who were bowling to Tilak Verma, and even Surya Kumar Yadav was copying Usman Tariq's slingy and pause wala action. He bowled a few to Tilak as well. So both the net sessions were pretty, what do you say, कि इतना इंटेंसिव नहीं था, बहुत ही हल्का फुल्का था. पाकिस्तान का कल बहुत ही इंटेंसिव प्रैक्टिस सेशन हुआ था. टुडे दे जस्ट हिटिंग द नेट्स. थोड़ा बहुत थोड़े बहुत चीज़ों पे उन्होंने काम किया. जैसे माइक हसन वाज ऑलवेज ऑन द ईयर ऑफ शैम अयूब, पावर प्ले के बाद कैसे बैटिंग करनी है, एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग दैट वी कैन गैदर द मर्मर जो होता है नेट्स पे. बाकी इंडिया का तो काफ़ी हल्का फुल्का था. ईशान किशन did mostly the keeping ka drill, nothing else. He kept, I think, and this sure shot that if Abhishek is back, then Sanjay will have to sit out. Abhi to filhal, this is the news only. Weather update, yes, weather is going to be pivotal, and I think it will play a big role. There are like uncertainties whether full match will happen or not. There is chances that the overs will be deducted. But I was just talking to a groundsman. They said they look positive, even though अगर बारिश होती है, probably श्रीलंका के जो groundsmen है, they are the best in the world. So मुझे अभी मालूम नहीं था, मुझे पता चला सिर्फ इस स्टेडियम में, आर प्रेमदासा स्टेडियम, इंटरनेशनल स्टेडियम में 120 से 150 ग्राउंड्समैन हैं जो काम करते हैं. एंड एवरी डे यहाँ पे मैचेस इतने होते हैं, दे कवर द इंटायर ग्राउंड एवरी नाइट. And because of the rain, the passing shower and all, they don't want to take risk. And lastly, the big another talking point is that this match will be played on a used surface, on the same pitch Zimbabwe defeated Australia a couple of days ago. How much that will play into captain's mind? Pakistan are set to play 5 spinners. Whether India will add Kuldeep or Washi, it will be interesting to see. So that's all from today's clues from the nets. Keep watching TUI Sports. Thank you.